Behind every extraordinary achievement lies a foundation of hard work and dedication.
Welcome to an amazing investment opportunity at PRISM Heights, situated in the heart of Gulberg, Greens, Islamabad, and just a heartbeat away from Islamabad Expressway.
PRISM Heights stands as a living example of exquisite architecture and uncompromising quality. Its elegant frame structure is already a masterpiece.
Progress never stops, as we've already commenced work on the 6th floor.
Your investment isn't just about the present, it's an investment in the future. Our shared spaces structure has completed.
Witness the transformation as the shops take shape through ongoing partition work. Experienced laborers are diligently working on partitions and setting up spaces, ensuring that each shop has the perfect space to realize its potential.
Our commitment to excellence knows no bounds. Our construction process is on full swing without compromising on safety or quality. From the ground floor to the 6th, we're opening our doors for you to explore and experience the future of living. Our dedicated team works tirelessly day and night to ensure every detail meets perfection.
In this iconic marvel, 10 stories are completed, and each floor tells a story of innovation and elegance.
PRISM Heights holds the prestigious NOC approval from the CDA, and the Society's approval adds an extra layer of assurance to your investment.
Save the opportunity, invest and elevate your future.